guys, so today I'm gonna be sharing 3 easy nail arts for New Year's Eve. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. Now don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. And now without further ado, let's get into it. I already applied base coat, and here I have my base color, which is a dark, nice navy blue. I'm gonna be dipping this sponge applicator into glitter nail polish, and I'm gonna be just dabbing on my tip of my nail like so. Just gonna be slowly going upward, and I'm not gonna be doing a lot on the upper side, so I'm just gonna be fading in the cuticle area, just lightly fading at the glitter, and just keep on adding a little bit more base on the tip. Just like that, it's done. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna finish it off with the top coat. Here I'm using a Kiss product, the top coat. I have already applied base coat, and now here I'm applying a thin layer of this nice chunky glitter, and just like so, truly I'm applying this glitter. So now I'm gonna be dipping a dotting tool into silver nail polish, this shimmer silver nail polish, and I'm gonna be making some dots. So these ones gonna be a little bit bigger dots, and then I'm gonna be dipping the same dotting tool but the other side of it into the same nail polish, and just gonna be making some small dots. Lastly, again, when the nail art is completely dry, finish it off with your top coat, and you're done. With my base coat, in here I have 2 coats of this natural nude-ish pink. I dipped detailed nail art brush into glitter nail polish, and I'm gonna be just making a pyramid around my cuticle areas like so. I'm just making a triangle like so. The glitter looks so good on this shade. Oh my gosh, you guys, just keep on adding glitter as it's drying up to make it pigmented if you want to make it enhanced and cute. And again, when it's completely dry, seal it off with the top coat and you're done. So much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family, and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my own social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aishastyle. Thanks for watching.